Hello everyone, I'm Sabrina. In this video, I will show you how to obtain some data for the QGIS. But before we start, we have to set a folder named ADTEC. So you can add here. And then in this video, there will be two subfolders named ADTEC Raster and also ADTEC Vector. Okay. So, firstly, after we launch the QGIS, we have to open the map by using the web, Quick Map Service, and we choose the OSM standard. So the map will appear and we can zoom in it until we find Simpang 4 and here ADTEC Melaka. So this is the location that we want to observe in this video. So there are several things that we want to observe, which are total area, the buildings, the sport facilities, and also the streets in the ADTEC area. So first, I will do the total area first. When we want to do a new observation, we have to create the layer, click new shapefile layer, and we name it as ADTEC total area. We go here and then we go to the folder that we saved. So we'll be gonna save it in the ADTEC vector. Make sure that the file was saved in a shapefile. So the geometry type is polygon because we want to observe the area. This one we can change it by we delete the default file first, then we create the new one. Okay. And then see, because CampusNet only have one. See. And then we can add to the field list. Okay, now we have to toggle the area first. So we choose the toggle editing and then we choose the polygon factors. So now we can choose the area. And after we finish, we can click the right click and this will appear. So we can write here ADTEC. Okay. Now, okay, we save. Okay, now we get the area. So here, actually, we can change the color by choose the properties, and then I want to change the color to black outline. Okay. Okay. So now we can analyze it by open the file, the field calculator. Okay, the field name is what we're gonna search, the unit, which is meter square. We choose the decimal numbers to make it more accurate, and here we can choose the geometry, this area. Double click it and we choose OK. Okay, to know the area that we find, we can right click here and open the attribute table. So this is the area of ADTEC Melaka. We can compare this with the Google Earth. So in the Google Earth, I already searched the ADTEC Melaka, and we can compare the value. Okay, we can choose the value first, because we don't have the border here, so we just assume. Okay, so the area here approximately is 209,423, but in the QGIS we get 218,389. So there is a difference here, maybe because of we assume here, and there are some improvise that we should do. Okay, but the value is quite similar and not that far. Okay. So now, after we already know the area, we can do the next task, which is the buildings. Okay, we can untick here, so we get the next one. So to do the buildings, same with the area, we create a new layer, new shapefiles, then we browse. At the same subfolders, which is ADTEC vector, you can choose the ADTEC buildings. And we can save. And then for the geometry type, we can choose the polygon because we want to find the area of the buildings. We can delete the default file, and we can name here the building ID, because the building in the ADTEC have 9, so you're gonna 1, 2, 3. So we choose the whole number and add to files. Okay. And then we can start doing it. Okay, first building, you can start to go it. It's the polygon. Okay. Make sure you do it very carefully. And this, right click. So this is the first building. we can change the color. So I want to change the color to gray color. Okay. Apply and okay. So this is the first building. Then we do the second building. Click, and then the second one. So just now there is a ring inside there. So we're gonna plot the sum of it, estimate it, and we can add it later. Okay. So this is the vertex tool to edit the line. Okay, so now we finish. Can so save first, and we do the third building. Same as earlier, we have to do the ring first. Okay, it's okay. We can edit it. And then do the same thing at the below. Okay, so I finish here. Save. This is the third, and then here, fourth. Okay, this is. See here, I make a mistake, but I can fix it. Okay, okay, it's better. So yeah, save. For the fourth building, I think I'll okay, and then this one, our fifth building. Six. 7. And then the last one is 9. Now we already finished for our all buildings. There is 9 buildings: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So now we're gonna to find the area. You set first at the field calculator, and we name it things that we want to search is area, and the unit meter square, and we find geometry and the area. So we click it. After it's listed here, we press OK. So first we want to see the individual area for each building. We can right click and we open the attribute table. So this is the area for each tab, sorry for the noise, for the each buildings. Okay, and then if we want to find for the whole, the sum of it, the sum of 9 buildings, we can go to the vector. Now analysis tool, basic statistic for fields. Okay, here we choose area and go run. Okay, we can find the sum here. So the sum of 9 buildings is 26046.72 after we round off. Okay. So that's all for buildings. Now we move on to the ADTEC sport facilities, which is the green one. So we can untick first. So like before, we create a new layer, new shapefile layer, and boost here. In the same subfolders, we can choose ADTEC sports. Save. Then here, because we want to find the area, we can choose the polygon, and here is sports ID or sports. Okay, and then we choose whole number because we want to represent it by one sport ID 1, 2, and 3. So we can add to the field list. Press OK. Now we can create the toggles by toggles editing. We zoom it a little bit. Okay. And right click. Okay, here we can choose. I want to change the color. Okay, remember you can change the color, so I want to change it to light blue. Here. So okay. Okay, there's first one. Okay, the second field. To go. This is second field. and then the third field. Now we already find, okay, we see first all the three fields. Okay, as usual, we go to the open field calculator. You want to find the area in unit and decimals, geometry, area. Okay. Now for the individual, we can find at the attribute table. So the area of this one is 910 meter square. The second one is 1179, and the third one is 957 meter square. Okay, so if you want to find the sum, we can go to the vector analysis tool and basic statistic for fields. After press the run, here we can see the sum of the three fields is 3046.936. That is the area of these three fields. Okay, so now we want to find the ADTEC rate. Okay. Now we're gonna find the length of the straight that are available in the ADTEC marker. So first, as usual, we go to the layer and create a new shapefiles layer. In here, goes and save at the same subfolders, which is ADTEC vector, and we save as ADTEC straight. And we save. And the geometric type, we not use the polygon, but we use the line because we want to find the length of the straight. Okay. So here we can put the name of street number. And fill this, press OK. This gonna take a while because there are so many fields, so many street here. So we're gonna do it one by one. But first we have to press the toggle editing and choose the line feathers, and we can start to draw the line for the street. So now we already after save, we already put all the line and all the street in the ADTEC. So we can go to the field calculator. Now you want to find the length. Is in meter. We find in decimal number. Here we can find it in geometry. Dollar length, sorry. Okay, and you can press OK. So in order to find the sum of the length, the street length, you can go to the vector analysis tool, basic statistic for the field length, and you press 1. So the sum of the street is 4,439.19 meter after we round off. So if you want to find it individually, you can right click here and we go to open attribute table and you can find the length one by one. Okay, so in conclusion, in this video we already discovered the ADTEC total area, the buildings area, the area for the sport facilities, and also the length of the street that available in the ADTEC Melaka. So that's all from me. Thank you.